All right, welcome to the first ever backyard restaurant. We're gonna make Albondigas Loco. But it is delicious. We've made it many times and it's gonna be amazing. Maurice is gonna take lead in the chopping and cooking, and let's do this. Let's start with the broth. So we're using old school cooking techniques here. We have these are Thai Vietnamese style clay ovens, and we're cooking with charcoal. And everything in the backyard restaurant, the idea is to have some, you don't have to spend $20,000-$30,000 on a backyard kitchen. You can do it for extremely cheap if you choose to. This clay oven cost, I think, $25, and we got a smaller one over here. This little guy was $20. I got this old chest at Goodwill for, I think, $60, and this giant wok was, I think, $22 at the Asian market here in Phoenix. And so this whole setup right here, what we're going to be using today, is probably just about $100.
All right.
So we got 1 white onion, we got 3 cloves of garlic, we got about 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, and 1.5 cups of tomato sauce. And this is this sauce has some other ingredients in it, like salt and a few things. So if you're using tomato puree, it's going to be a little different. So be aware of that. You might have to adjust your salt. And we got 1/2 gallon of water. So I'm going to chop some garlic, some ajo. Cebolla, ajo. We're learning some Spanish, so we're going to use the terminology here if we can. Some jitomate, agua, y I don't know, oregano. Don't forget the perito. Water in, tomato sauce in, yep, oregano, just dump all that in. This is a little spice box I bought here. I found this box at Goodwill, and it was like, I think, $8 or something. And I've got these little containers at the dollar store for $1.25 each. For every single one of these was $1.25. So we got the spices that we use most commonly, which is salt, MSG. We got white pepper, sugar, chicken bouillon, and some curry. And this is black pepper. We got some nuts, some fish sauce, and soy sauce for the various styles of cooking. But we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the chicken bouillon to this as well. So now we're gonna bring this to a boil and make the meatballs. All right, for the meatballs, we have 2 pounds of ground beef. This is 80/20. You can use leaner beef if you want like a less rich stock. We've got about quarter cup of tomato sauce again, a handful of rice, 1.5 teaspoons of cilantro. We got oregano, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, a little bit of cumin. And this is seasoning salt. So that can all go in the meat, and we're gonna just make them into, just dump it all in there, and we're gonna make little quarter-sized or whatever size balls. Mash it up. Get in there. Next step, we add the veggies, carrots and celery and green pepper. You can put whatever vegetables you want in here, but however big you like them, it's all good. Last one. Starting to smoke, look at that, delicious. It's coming along. Wow, looks amazing. Look at that. Veggies in. And we're gonna leave the cabbage and the zucchini to the end, but because they cook much faster. But you could throw corn in there. You could throw potatoes is very common. We left out potatoes, but really anything, any veggies. Clean out the fridge. This is a great clean out the fridge recipe, actually. So. All right, we're gonna let that cook down for about 30 minutes and bring it to a boil. This oven basically gets some air in there and it really increases the heat. So you can get like a little fan or just put more coals on, either one. But if it's not getting quite hot enough, some air movement really works well with these ovens. Put a little fan right in front of it, it'll be blazing hot. So. Look at that bubbling away so nicely. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes here. Look at that. So rich. And we're going to put the cabbage and zucchini in now. We're going to let this cook for about another 10 more minutes. Do some tortillas here too. I like to butter them a little bit. Smother it too. Rub them together. Nothing like a hot tortilla with soup. Yeah, bubbling up nicely. It's perfect heat, I think. Let's give that another stir. Wow, this is going to be amazing. So it's got a couple more minutes before the zucchini is soft. At this point, you want to have a taste. And this is perfect. You can either add more, if you need more seasoning, put some more chicken bouillon in there or some salt. If it's too salty, if it's been reduced too much, you can just add some more water. And let's think soup is always super easy to, or if you want more soup, more liquid, you can add more liquid and more bouillon to get more soupiness to it, because this does have a lot of vegetables in it. It's very hearty, as you can see. So you know, it's It is delicious. It's so good. You get some of the from the beef. It gives that richness to the broth and all the veggies, the different veggies, the onions. It's so good. It's amazing. But it's time to kick it up to the next level with the. We got a ripping hot molcajete here. So we are gonna do something not ordinary. Some more of that broth. Now, up until now, this has been primarily a Mexican dish. We're gonna take it to a French level. We got a piece of toasted bread here, and we've got some jack cheese. This is like a mixed jack here. We're gonna put that in the oven on a high heat for about, basically until the cheese is melted now too. So, and we're gonna put this in the smoker, which is in the other room at the moment, but stay tuned. Ready?
Little cilantro bay.
Exactly. Voila! Albondigas. Version 1. Version 2 coming up right away. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Amazing. This is molten, so. Did two versions. One's like French onion soup here. Like cheese melted all on top. And have a taste. What do you think? Yeah, it's hot. Grab a tortilla. And this is the French onion albondigas with a piece of bread and jack cheese and smoking hot. There's limes, there's like cilantro over here.
I should take this off of the spinning thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
Well, that's a wrap for our first ever backyard restaurant, and we're gonna dig in.